If you choose a non-genuine part over a genuine Cummins part, you'll face many dangers that are hidden. There is a world of a difference, even though it may not be obvious to our natural eyes. The difference in tensile strength, specifications, and dimensions could greatly decrease the efficiency and life of your Cummins engine. Now let's look at some real-life examples.
This truck engine was rebuilt. However, after some time its oil pump malfunctioned, leading to the damage to the entire engine. However, since it was a genuine Cummins oil pump and the engine was under warranty, as they had got the job done from GB Truck and Diesel, who are an authorized Cummins dealer in Edmonton, the customer got a brand new Cummins Recon engine, free, which included the cost of parts and labor, so he had to pay nothing from his pocket. Here we can see GB Truck and Diesel swapping the old damaged engine with a new Cummins Recon engine.
Buy genuine Cummins parts from Cummins Authorized channels. It'll save you from unintended costs and losses. Remember, a small difference results in a huge difference. You'll have peace of mind as your business operates smoothly when you choose a genuine Cummins part.